Hello, dear students. How are you? I hope you all are doing well. So, students, let's count number 9. Hi, I am number 9. I make a little curve goes up to the corner and make a big line down. Now, look at the picture. Count and say aloud 9 flowers. Now let's sing a rhyme with me. 9 little flowers in a garden so bright, with petals so fine, it's a colorful sight. Now find and encircle number 9. I hope you like this activity. Keep growing and keep learning. See you soon.